Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to buy an EPin for you to participate in Global Fund. Okay, so you need the EPin basically for you to be able to provide help so that your funds can basically double after 15 days. Okay, basically for you to take part, you need an EPin. Okay, so there are two EPins. There's a $5 EPin and a $10 EPin. Now, so I'm going to show you how to buy this EPin using Binance, right? We're going to use Binance to buy this, but this applies basically to, if you use another exchange like Bybit or OKX or whatever the case may be, okay? These are centralized exchanges. So once you have registered, the first thing that you want to do now, you just want to go to EPin right there on your dashboard and you say request EPin. Okay, so here, like I said, there's $5 as well as $10. So if you go for the $5, that means you're going to provide help for $50. If you go for the $10 one, it means you're going to provide help with $100. Okay, so $5, it means you provide help with 50. $10, it means you provide help with $100. Okay, now we're going to select the second one, which is $10, because we want to provide help with $100. Now I'm going to buy one, so I'll say one, and automatically it will populate in this box here that it's $10. Okay, so this transaction hash and the screenshot, this will get these after we've made the payment. Okay, so what you want to do from here, just scroll down, you'll see the wallet address. Okay, this is the payment details essentially. So just take note that this is BIP20. So we're going to use Binance Smart Chain or BNB chain essentially. Okay, so this is the BIP20 address. So I'm just going to copy this, and then I'll go to Binance. So here, most probably, when you log in, it'll bring you to this home screen, and all you do, you go to assets right there at the bottom. Okay, remember you have USDT now in your Binance account. You've already bought your USDT, and you're ready to buy the EPin, and also you're ready to provide help. Okay, so now we're just gonna hit send and then withdraw crypto. And from here, what are we wanting to send is USDT. So I'm going to say USDT. And right here, I'm going to paste that wallet address that we got from Global Fund. Okay. And then the network, remember, it's BIP20. So this is the one. It's BSC, BNB Smart Chain, this one. All right. And then just take note here, the minimum, they say 5. So we are going to withdraw 10, let's say 10.1, just to make sure that they receive a full $10, right? So we're just going to say 10.1, and they'll get like 10.09. Just as long as they receive 10, we can do this as well, 10.02. Okay, as long as they are getting that amount there. All right, it should be $10. Okay, so I'm going to hit withdraw. You can see receive amount 10.01. Network fee is really like it's a cent, guys. So it's very cheap. So we're going to withdraw. And then here, it's sending this withdrawal to, let's just say, myself. And then I declare, right? Submit. Okay, so here we're going to confirm the order. Verify. Okay, so then it should go through just fine here. So if you are withdrawing for the first time, you might be required to add passkey. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You might be required to add your passkey or do a Google Authenticator or anything of that sort. Okay, so you won't be able to withdraw until you've added either a passkey or an authenticator app. Okay, it's just for security reasons. All right, now what you'll see, it says withdrawal processing. Okay, great. So if you just go to view history right there, okay, you can see they say the $10 is processing. I'm just going to go in there. You see the USDT withdrawal successful. So it went successfully. Now what I need to do, I need to copy this transaction hash, okay? And also I need to upload, remember I need to upload the screenshot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a screenshot. This is what I'm going to upload, and then I need to copy this transaction hash as well, okay? So I'm just going to copy. You can either just tap on those two sheets right there, or you can just really copy the traditional way. But all you need this is a transaction ID, okay? That's all you need right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here. I've already paid, remember, right? So I'm going to paste the transaction ID right here. Paste, and then I'm going to choose the file, and then I'm going to attach it. Say yes, and then once I've done that, I hit submit request. Success, your EPin request has been submitted, and wait up up to 24 hours or something like that, till they approve it. Usually they do it from a few minutes to a few hours. Okay, so just give it some time. But we have now submitted the EPin request successfully. So all we're waiting for now is basically for them to kind of approve. So you see it says pending. So what they'll do on their side, they'll check the transaction, and they will then approve it. So when we come back, this will say approved. Okay, so this is how you request an EPin, and this is how you send funds in order to buy the EPin, essentially. So in the next one, I'm going to show you how to provide help once you have your EPin now. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.